Jambol! Jambol po. Ito kami na to. Wala. Jambol po. Okay, 2-0 ha. Okay. Ken, no good. Nakashoot. All two. Ten seconds. Okay, 3. Score 5-2. 5-0, okay. O sige, kaya tanong ko lang. Low. 5-2 ha. Low. 5-4 ha? Ha? All 5. Okay. Inaayos ko pa eh. Jack to George. George, no good. Rebound by Angelo. Oy, sayang. Rebound by Jack. To George again. To Teo. Mikael, 3 points. Score 8-5. Nice pass. Ken. Malahas. Bad pass. To Kyle. Pumersa. Foul, save ball. 14 seconds to shoot. Three points. All 8. Nakakasabay ang team solo joiners. Miguel, good job. Jocks, 2 points. Score 10-8. Paalala ko, both teams may dalawa pang time out. Nice pass to Kyle. Pinasa kay number 0, no good. Time remaining 4 minutes 15 seconds. Jock, pinasa kay Christopher, no good. Nakuha ni George, binalik kay Mikael, okay, ball daw ata. Labas na po. Paalala ko lang sa mga bago, walang first ball ha, walang first ball. George, no good. Rebound by number 0. Pinasa kay Ken, nagulat yata sa Ken. Buti maaga na. No good. 2 points, job. Score 12-8. Angelo, sayang, na-anticipate. Nice pass. Kyle, ang ganda ng pasa na yun. 2 points by Angelo. Score 12-10. Nagulat ako ito na pinag-nasa ilalim. Okay. George, no good. Christopher, wala pa rin. Nakuha. Nagmamadali. Number 8, wala. Rebound by Jocks. Pick up the map. Out of bounds. Mikael, easy 2. 14-10. Okay, number 0. Pinasa kay Angelo. Nice pass na intercept. Last 2 minutes. Rebound by number 0. 8 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. Number 0, no good. Nakuha ni Angelo. Angelo, pumig ang ganda ng pasa. Lista mo na. Score 14-12. Time remaining 1 minute 38 seconds. Dalawang hinahabol ng team Solo Joiners. Bad pass, number 0. Inol na nga ang score. All 14. One minute 20 seconds. Jocks. 16 to shoot. Mikael, no good. Rebound by Angelo. Angelo, nagmamadali ang ulit. Sayang, walang take twos.
Wow! Hindi pre, ang bilis lang.
Ang bilis. Last 58 seconds. 14 to shoot. To Jocks. 8 seconds. 5 seconds. George, 2 points. 16-14. George, 3. 19-14, 30 seconds. Nakuha ang 10, pero may foul. 20 seconds to shoot. 20 seconds to shoot. Kyle, 2 points. 19, 16, 15 seconds. Miguel, ang ganda ng pasang Christopher. Wala. 8 seconds. 2 seconds. And munti ka na. Score 19-16. Lamang kayong tatlo. Pre, pero yung kanina, ang tulin lang yan. Galing siya sa likod. Galing siya sa likod.
Yeah. Change court. Dito na kayo. Okay. Ito sa inyo.
Si Arnie, may malaki na ako nila ba?
Okay na yung si Harley. Okay.
Sino ang nakakuha ng bola kanina? Sila?
Nakatapik ba?
O yung nakatabi? Ay hindi, sino yung naka-receive ng bola?
Sila.
Sila, okay, dito change court. Dito ang bola, team. Bola ng regulars. Score 16-19.
Kanila?
Nakaw yun.
Okay, o umami na to, dito daw. Sa Solo Joiners. Inyo bola. Bola ng team Solo Joiners. Tatlo hinahabol. Both teams with the open timeout. Number 8 to number 0. To Miguel. Miguel, no hook, kay Christopher. Pumomba. Okay, fall down, labas na. Paalala ko walang first ball, ha? Hindi labas ang bola, good get yun. Jeff. Okay, foul. Okay, ang ganda, libre. Pasok, 2 points, Miguel. 16-21. No good. George Street. Grabe, parang layup lang. 16-24. Okay, umami na, fall down. Labas na. Lamang ng 8 ang team regulars. Number 0. Na-steal ni Jobs. Jobs, diretso ba? Jobs, wala. Nakuha ni Miguel. Nakuha ni George. Ganda ng pasa. 2 points, Jobs. 16-26. No good. Kyle, easy 2. 18-26. George, no good. Angelo, wala. Medyo malakas lang. Pero Angelo, try again. Wala pa rin. George, no good. Nakuha ni number 0. Number 0, nagmamadali. Number 0, 2 points. Naka-fake siya. Okay. Good job. 3 points. Jeff. Palabas lang po. 20-29. Last 5 minutes. To number 0. Number 0. Wala, pero foul daw. Blocking foul. Okay, labas na po tayo. 5. No good by Ken. Rebound by Japs. Siyam lang ay nahabol ng solo joiners. Ang ganda ng pasa. George, 2 points. 20-31. To number 1, Angelo. Angelo. Ang ganda. Making separation sa Angelo. No good. Okay, last touch, Teo Sabo. 4 minutes, 10 seconds again. Pinasa kay number 0. Number 0, wala. Rebound by Angelo. Angelo. Fade away shot is good. 22-31. Siya mang hinahabol. Time remaining 3 minutes 48 seconds. Jump. 10 seconds to shoot. Okay, fall down. Okay, rebound by Christopher. Christopher, 2 points. 22-33. No good. Time remaining 3 minutes 10 seconds. Miguel, pinasa kay Jack. Nice hit. 2 points, George. 22-35. Nice pass. No good. Sabo. Time remaining 2 minutes 30 seconds. Kyle. Kyle, no good. Nakuha. Number 8, wala pa rin. Rebound by Jacks.
Okay, labas na po.
Steal by Miguel. Nice Messi move. Pero blanca ni number 8. Sabo. 14 seconds to shoot. Nice pass. Christopher, 2 points. 22-37. Kyle, 2 points. 24-37. 1 minute 25 seconds. Christopher. 14 to shoot. Hindi pwede yung may number 0. To Angelo, nagmamadali. Nawala ang bola. Sayang. Okay, labas lang. 1 minute 1 seconds. 1 minute 1 seconds, 14 to shoot. Pero lahat po ng foul may free throw na. George, 3. 24-40.
Last 50 seconds. No good by Kyle. Pero may foul. Foul ba? 3 free throws.
Aba, first time yan ah. First shot is good. Second shot.
45 seconds.
Second shot is good. 26-40. Grabe naman yun. 3 out of 3. 27-40, 45 seconds. seconds. 14 to shoot. Miguel to George. No good. Last 30 seconds, Angelo. Angelo, quick two.
29, 14, 25 seconds.
Seconds. 12 seconds. 8 seconds. Blanca. Nakuha ni Miguel. 4 seconds. 1 second.
And okay. Score 29-40. Hindi, sabi nung gano'n siya sa akin.
Hahabol daw.
Hahabol daw siya. Pre, hindi